In front of me is Emporia SMART 0.5 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access System. Then click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Emporia Keyboard. Then scroll down just a bit and click on autocorrection. Now you can apply any of those intensity options by clicking on the best one for you, like aggressive, or switch it off completely by hitting off at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!